So you're curious about selling some of your Kishu Inu and you're not sure on what price to do that or how much I need to have to sell at this price. In this video, we're just gonna go over some scenarios and what that looks like right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm excited to bring this video to you. Now Kishu, this is some news that came out a couple of days ago, is going to be at a baseball game. Now, I haven't seen any meme coins or coins, period, that's actually going to be involved in a Major League Baseball game, and it's saying handing out 25,000 free Kishu branded towels to all. So that's pretty big, and being at a Red Sox game, and you got to think about it, the facilities only seats about 35 to 40,000 anyway, so everybody gonna get a Kishu towel, and that's really good branding for Kishu. Now, this video is about, okay, if the price hit here and how much do I have? Now, 100, look at that, 100 billion, is that what it is? 100 billion tokens of Kishu will only cost about $107 at the price it is right now. So if I go look here, it's about the same price, and it only costs you $107. And that with 8 zeros, not 7, but 8 zeros. And if you look at here, is that if you take off a zero, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer. But anyway, if I go back up here and do a analysis, is that, okay, 1 zero gets off the board, which 100 billion Kishu, $1,700, not bad. $107 will turn into $1,754. Not bad investment. But if you wait a little bit longer, and if it gets to these prices, it's $7,000. Now, all-time high was this price here. All-time high with this price, because I actually look it up. You see that? All-time high, May 15, 2021. It did hit that price. So it hit it once. It possibly can hit it again. And if you have this amount, you got $1,700 if you invest into today's prices. Now, if you continue adding more to your bag of 200 billion, this is what the price is now, pretty close, $214. But look what happens after you get to all-time high prices. That thing goes from $200 to $3,000 at all-time high. I'm just doing the all-time high, and I did a little bit past all-time high, that thing turns to 14,000. Now, little Timmy, not only he will get 6 Flags, he'll probably get the mall, and he'll probably get a couple other things with that amount of money. I'm just joking. But anyway, but you get what I dripped here about holding and waiting and being patient. And it's not, 200 billion Kishu only costs around $214. That's not that bad. An average person can get into something like this and just hold and be handsomely rewarded over time. I'm not saying you to buy it. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you the numbers that I'm seeing. Now, with 500 billion Kishu, if you got a little bit more money to spend, it will cost about $535 at today's prices of the recording of this video. It is Friday the 13th, so I'm giving you some value today on this scary Friday the 13th. But these scary prices, if this thing goes to this price here, $35,000 and at 500 billion coins, you ain't gonna be scared no more. You're gonna be walking around with $35,000. Not financial advice. But all-time high price is not bad at $8,773. That's not bad. It's not bad at all, especially you got in at $535. Now, the last one here I did, okay, let's do 1 trillion, 3, 6, 9, 12. 1 trillion coins of Kishu Inu. Now, right here, it will cost about a little bit over $1,000. That's not bad really at all for 1 trillion coins of Kishu. But here's the thing that I want to really go over. 17 grand at all-time high prices. And it only cost me $1,000 to get in. But look at this, $70,000 if it goes a little bit higher than the all-time high price. That's pretty big, because that's almost $100,000 and you only put in $1 grand in there. See, there is a reward for holding and accumulating. I'm gonna be the captain in you to be holding and accumulating, and you really will have rewards doing this. So Do I think Kishu would hit some of these prices? It's here. Let me tell you something. It's here right here. If I go here, it's about that price now because it's moving up and down. It's got there before because if I go to CoinGecko, it shows all-time high price. Look at that. All-time high. May 15th. So that's about, what, 3 months ago? About 3 months ago. So that's not too bad. And then here, it's just not that much farther. And I just put a number in here just to get an estimate of where it could go, you know, in the future. And that's giving you $7 grand off a $107 investment. Now, I don't know too many opportunities that are going to do this. I'm not saying it would do this, not necessarily financial advice, but just kind of like giving you scenarios. And so same thing if you had 200 billion, 500 billion, and 1 trillion. You do the numbers there and just kind of follow them. So I want to do these videos to get you to think about, you know, okay, if I put in $535 into a Kishu Inu at that price, then if I hold and wait till it get all-time high prices, 500 turns to about $8,000. That's a big difference. But you're going to have to wait. You're going to have to go through a lot to be able to get to that point. The ups and downs, the roller coaster, people saying it's a scam, people saying that's going to go to zero. You're going to have to hear some of that stuff. You have to go through a lot of the stuff. But you can still be so excited if it hits the $7,000, or $8,000 actually. So anyway, I want to do this video about Kishu. I'm going to do one over 𝐿 Inu and leash as well, of showing you scenarios. If you're holding and you're accumulating, you'll be handsomely rewarded. And that's basically just fact. That's not even advice. That's just fact. So stay tuned for the next video that I have out coming out soon. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification. And Kishu Inu, listen, before I let you go here, let me go back to their Twitter page or this tweet. This is pretty big. That means I feel like they're going to be at the gate at the actually baseball game, the Red Sox and Rangers, and passing out these towels. And you're going to have 25,000 eyeballs having this towel. And if they have some type of promotion throughout this game or some type of deal, then that's going to put them even more on the map. So this is pretty big. It's August 13th. And this is about, what, 10 days? Man, this is pretty big. So I just dug this up. Congratulations to Kishu Inu. And here's the scenarios here. So we'll see what happens. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video.